In the fifth step, what you do is you just decide. You decided, okay, out of all these things, this is what I want to do because this is what really makes me feel good. So now you've made a list of 20 things or 10 things or whatever it is. You've discarded a few in the fourth step where you're like, okay, this is not me. And now the ones that are you, from all those things that are you need to define like, okay, what is it that I'm gonna go for? This is what feels me. Okay, in the fifth step, you just define this is what I want in my life. Like, this is me. I'm gonna get this. This is what is gonna make me happy. I'm ready to give like everything to it. I'm willing to like make sacrifices for it. I'm willing to like change my habits. I'm willing to like, learn about this. So like define in this step, like this is out of all this list, this is what I'm gonna go for. Some people want to like just be like a rock star because they like the life of a rock star, but they don't want to like go to do the hard work of a rock star. They don't want the hours of like voice training and like the works. So define like what is it that you think that you can just go like crazy, like days, like just spend hours and just enjoy as if like you're not working. You just like time is flying away.